Choosing the right business phone system should be simple, but it's not. With so many options, plans, and hardware configurations, it's easy to waste time and money for years by paying for the wrong system or features employees won't use. tmaVoIP helps find the perfect fit for your business. Even better, it's free. Use our 30 years of experience and relationships with top VoIP providers like RingCentral, Zoom Phone, and GoToConnect to ensure you get the right system at the best price. Once you've chosen your new system, we coordinate installation, train your staff on their new phones and features, and provide technical support long after installation is complete. Advantages you won't find with any direct or indirect VoIP providers. Don't waste time wading through offers when you have a VoIP expert to handle everything at no additional cost. Avoid the pitfalls of upgrading your phones on your own. Use our expertise to get the right system and features your employees need. Schedule your free 30-minute consultation today.